afternoon. Welcome to the Year 10 Foods class. We are doing the cake decorating task at the moment. So this is an 8-week project. We spend the first couple of weeks planning, and then we have a few weeks for creating the top of the cake, and then the final 2 weeks we'll be having time for covering the cake and then assembling the decoration and putting it all together.
Hi, my name is GORETTY'S. So for my cake design, I've chosen to do it on Black Lives Matter, and so far I've just done the fist for it, and this is the top part. And then for the base, I'm going to put stripes of different shades of brown. So the first is going to be black, and then brown, and then a lighter base of brown to build the cake up to look like a Black Lives Matter cake.
Hi, I'm Hudson, and I'm making a McDonald's themed cake. So far I've made this fry box, as you can see, and then I've just finished making a little burger with lettuce and tomato, and in here I've made a McDonald's sign, and I'm just finishing it off now. I chose McDonald's cake because I'm like getting a promotion at work, and I want to show them the cake as like a cool design I made for my cert 2 with them, and I just want to say thank you to my boss.
Hi, my name's Isabella, and I am doing a star themed cake. So far we've done drawings of it, and we have started the topper of it, and from there we're going to do the full covering of the cake.
That's all right, no, because I just realised Isabella's not here, so just I'll do this.
Next 40%. Not waiting. He's never cut you off.
She's afraid to come up.
No. I'm not. What do I know?
How many? What's facts, man? I felt the wind.
You went to isolation. Gone for a couple of days.
Yeah, I would just take that to if you need a bit more, just take some more. Wow, cool. That's good. Oh, you've got that? Yeah, good. Okay. And what are you going to do around the edge here?
Hi, I'm Kale. I'm a Year 10 student working on the cake design. At the moment I'm just filling in some cracks with the icing after I've finished my, the top part of the cake, which is very fragile at the moment. So it's only being held up by Tetris and icing at the moment. So, yay! Good.
Hi, I'm Shelby Tenor, and I've made a Rick and Morty themed cake from so Rick and Morty is a show on Netflix that I enjoy, and I just made, I guess, Rick coming out of a portal, and some references to some of the episodes around the side of it. And I'm actually pretty proud of it. It turned out better than I expected, so...
Alright, let me come around. What do you need to know?
TV shows I'm making are anime. So this is Fairy Tail, Naruto, Death Note, Pokemon, Bleach. I'm gonna also make Assassin's Creed, Overwatch, and I'll try Legend of Zelda if it's possible. I also have a 7 Deadly Sins. So yeah.
My name's Lena, and currently I'm making a tree. Wrap the shape into aluminium foil, and I'm wrapping fondant around it to create like a winter tree effect. My theme is for like a sleeping fox in the snow. My name is Sandia. I'm doing a theme on makeup. So I've so far done an eyeshadow palette and a blush palette. Now I only have to do a handbag and a makeup brush. It's looking great so far. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I'm really excited for the ending result. Thank you.
Week 9 we're planning to have a cake decorating display for students and staff to come in and have a look at the cakes. So we've got some famous judges. We've got Miss Ranford, she's going to be one of the judges, Mr Harvey, and some of the other leadership team will come in. And students and staff will also have the opportunity to vote for their personal favourites, so that's going to be fun.